How to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing in less than 1 minute. So all what you wanna do guys is just open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, and then go to the Instagram app. Now this is the app informations page as you can see. Or what you wanna do on this page is very easy. Just click on this option. It's called Force Stop. After you click on it, now click on the notifications management and go to the badges notifications and then disable it and enable it again. After that, you need to go to the App Store or the Play Store if you have Android. Search for Instagram and update it. After that, you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.